Imagine for a moment that you are walking along a path that only you can see. A path that leads to the heart of your own essence, to the core of your true nature. In this place, you find peace, understanding, and a deep connection with everything that exists. Magical, isn't it? But what if I told you that this is something you can access within yourself right now? Welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of spirituality, self-discovery, and connection with the universe. Have you ever felt that inner restlessness, as if something inside you is awakening? Maybe it's your soul seeking answers, light, and a deeper meaning for life. You are not alone on this journey. This is the perfect space for you if you are looking to know yourself better, find purpose, and transform your reality. Join us to discover how spirituality and universal laws can be your allies in this process. Here, every thought, every word, and every action holds the power to transform not only your life, but also the world around you. So, prepare to dive into the depths of your own spirituality and discover how to access the infinite potential that exists within you. Shall we explore this journey of self-discovery together? Get ready, because what you will learn today could completely transform your view of yourself and life. Welcome to our channel. Here, we believe that every person carries within them a spark of light, ready to be discovered and expanded. My name is Zeze Araujo, and it is an honor to have you here with us on this journey of spiritual growth and transformation. This is a space created for those who are seeking more purpose, peace, and clarity in life. We want to invite you to be part of this special community where we learn together, share experiences, and take steps toward a life more connected to our essence. To start, leave a comment here. I am part of this transformation. This will mark the commitment you are making today to yourself, your growth, and your ability to create a new reality for your life. We read every comment and love to know how each of you is advancing on your journey. Whether you are a beginner or someone already walking the path of self-knowledge, this is your place. Together, we will explore practices, reflections, and tools that can light your path and bring more meaning to your everyday life. So, here's the deal. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Let's grow together as a community that supports, inspires, and strives for the best in life. Now, comment. I am part of this transformation, and join us on this journey. Have you ever stopped to think about what spirituality really means? Is it just a religious practice, or is it something much deeper, capable of completely transforming the way you live and relate to the world? Today, we're going to dive into this fascinating topic and discover how it connects with one of the most mysterious and powerful laws in the universe: the law of attraction. Spirituality is more than rituals or philosophies. It is an essential quest for the meaning of life, for a connection with something greater, which can be called the universe, energy, or even your own essence. It's a path to finding inner peace, purpose, and a sense of unity with everything around us. But how do we walk this path? And how can it impact your life in a practical way? Imagine having tools to help you align your thoughts and feelings with your goals and dreams. When you understand how spirituality and the law of attraction work together, your life gains new meaning. Everything you think, feel, and believe can transform your reality. The promise for today is clear. We'll uncover how these two forces, spirituality and the law of attraction, can be integrated into your life to attract more peace, success, and happiness. No matter where you are on your journey, the knowledge we're sharing today will be a turning point. So, if you're already curious about how to get started, stick around until the end of this video. We're going to share simple yet extremely powerful practices that can change your life from the inside out. Get ready to awaken the power that already exists within you. Let's start by better understanding what spirituality is. Contrary to what many think, spirituality is not limited to religions or dogmas. It is a personal journey in search of purpose, inner peace, and a connection with something greater. But how do we access this spiritual essence? This is where practices like meditation, prayer, connecting with nature, and art come into play. Meditation is an ancient practice that helps us calm the mind and access our inner selves. When we meditate, we create a space of clarity and tranquility that allows us to make decisions aligned with our purpose. Prayer, on the other hand, is a way of connecting with a higher force, whether it's God, the universe, or your own essence. It is a powerful practice for alignment and seeking guidance and comfort. Nature is another essential channel. Walking through a forest or gazing at the stars reconnects us with the source of all life, bringing a sense of peace and unity. Art helps us express what words often fail to convey. It's a direct connection to our creative and spiritual essence. Now, when we talk about the law of attraction, we step into a realm where our thoughts and feelings shape our reality. The central idea is simple. You attract what vibrates at the same frequency as your thoughts. But how does this work in practice? Imagine that you are focused on positive thoughts about a new job. You visualize this goal as already achieved, feeling the joy and gratitude as if you were already living that reality. This process emits a powerful energy that attracts this opportunity to you. On the other hand, if your thoughts are focused on fear or lack, you attract more of those situations into your life. It's as if the universe reflects back everything you feel most intensely. The big question is, how do spirituality and the law of attraction connect? Spirituality helps us align our thoughts and feelings with our true essence. When we practice meditation, prayer, or simply allow ourselves to be present in the moment, we create an inner harmony that amplifies the power of the law of attraction. Spiritual practices are, therefore, the foundation for living consciously and attracting positive things. The more we connect with our essence, the more we are able to align our intentions and energies with the goals we want to manifest. That is why spirituality and the law of attraction go hand in hand. Now that we understand the basic concepts of spirituality and the law of attraction, let's explore how these forces complement each other and how you can apply them on even deeper levels in your life. Spirituality is like a foundation for everything we manifest. When you are connected to your essence, your choices, thoughts, and actions become guided by a greater purpose. This puts you in a state of alignment with the universe, and it is in this state that the law of attraction reaches its maximum potential. Think of the law of attraction as a mirror of your inner state. When you consciously practice spirituality, your vibrations become elevated. This means that feelings like gratitude, love, and hope begin to prevail, and the universe responds by bringing more of those energies into your reality. The role of meditation. By meditating regularly, you learn to quiet your mind and create space for positive thoughts. Meditation clears away worries and fears that block your manifestations and strengthens your connection with your essence. Gratitude and positive vibration. When you practice gratitude, you are affirming to the universe that you recognize and value the good things in your life. This practice raises your vibrational frequency and attracts even more reasons to be grateful. Small daily actions, such as writing down 3 things you are grateful for, can have a profound impact on your energy. Creative visualization. Visualization is a powerful technique that combines spirituality and the law of attraction. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your goals as already accomplished. Feel the emotion and relief of living that reality. This is not just dreaming, it is aligning your energy with your desires. Connection with the universe. When you are in harmony with your spiritual essence, you begin to see that everything is interconnected. Your personal energy influences the environment around you, and you start to attract experiences that align with your highest vibration. On the other hand, it's important to understand that spirituality does not eliminate life's challenges, but it helps you face them with more clarity and strength. For example, when something doesn't go as you hoped, your spiritual connection can help you see that it is part of a greater plan and that there is always something to learn. Moreover, spirituality and the law of attraction also have a direct impact on emotional health. They promote states of calm, reduce stress, and bring a balance that reflects not only in your mind, but also in your physical body. This creates a positive cycle. The more balanced you are, the more you attract situations that strengthen this balance. To integrate these practices into your daily life, remember to start small. Dedicate 5 minutes to meditation, practice gratitude when you wake up, and set aside a moment to visualize your goals. These are simple habits, but they can have a huge impact. By creating this deep connection with yourself and the universe, you will begin to notice transformations not only in your personal life, but also in how you interact with others and the world around you. Finally, remember, spirituality is not about perfection, but about progress. The more you allow yourself to walk this path, the easier it will be to attract everything that aligns with who you truly are. Throughout this video, we explored together how spirituality and the law of attraction can profoundly transform our lives. Recapping, we learned that spirituality is much more than external practices. It is an inner journey in search of peace, purpose, and connection with something greater. We also saw that the law of attraction directly reflects what we feel and think, making it essential to cultivate positive thoughts aligned with our goals. At the beginning, we posed the question, how are spirituality and the law of attraction connected? The answer became clear. When we are in harmony with our spiritual essence, our thoughts and emotions begin to vibrate at a higher frequency. This amplifies the power of the law of attraction, drawing situations and experiences that correspond to our energy. Simple practices like meditation, gratitude, visualization, and prayer can serve as bridges between the inner and outer worlds. Meditation clears your mind and creates space for the new. Gratitude reaffirms the abundance present in your life. Visualization connects your energy with the dreams you want to manifest. Prayer or guided intention strengthens your connection with the universe and your purpose. More than tools, these practices are ways of life. They not only help attract good things, but also strengthen your resilience in the face of challenges. After all, as we mentioned, spirituality does not eliminate difficulties, but teaches us how to face them with serenity and clarity. Now, ask yourself, what do you want to attract into your life? What energy are you emanating at this moment? The answer to these questions is a direct reflection of the reality you are living. And the good news is that you have the power to change it, starting today. The practice of spirituality and the law of attraction is an invitation to live consciously, with purpose, and in harmony with the universe. Imagine a life where every decision is made with clarity, every day is lived with gratitude, and every dream is treated as a reality in the making. This is possible for you, as long as you're willing to take the first steps. We conclude with a call to action. Don't let this knowledge remain just theoretical. Put it into practice. Start with something simple. Meditate for 5 minutes, write in your gratitude journal, or visualize your greatest goal. With each small action, you'll be building a future aligned with your dreams. And if you've made it this far, it's because you're committed to your growth. Comment below. I made it to the end, I am persistent, and I will succeed. This will mark your determination to stay on this path of transformation and attract everything you deserve. Remember, you are not alone. Our community is here to support your journey. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who can also benefit from this content. Together, we can illuminate the world with more light, love, and awareness. Shall we keep building this new reality? The next step is in your hands. And so, we conclude another journey of learning and connection. Today, we delved into the mysteries of spirituality and the law of attraction, discovering how these two forces can profoundly transform the way we live, think, and feel. But remember, the true power lies in your hands, in your willingness to put this knowledge into practice. If you believe in the potential to create a better reality for yourself and for those around you, now is the time to act. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep receiving content that lights your way. We invite you to join our community, a space for exchange, support, and collective growth. Leave a comment saying, "I am ready to manifest a new reality." This will reaffirm your commitment to yourself and the transformation you desire to achieve. We love reading your comments and knowing how each of you is advancing on your journey. If this content resonated with you, share it with someone special who can also benefit from these messages. Together, we can create a movement of light and love that spreads across the world. Every step we take toward our essence inspires others to do the same. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You are a determined and committed person working toward your growth. Comment, "I made it to the end, I am persistent, and I will succeed." You deserve to reap the rewards of this dedication and continue moving forward with confidence. Thank you so much for being with us today. May you continue cultivating your spirituality, using the law of attraction, and living in harmony with your essence. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll take another step on this beautiful journey of self-discovery and connection. Until then, remember, you are capable of manifesting everything you desire. A united community, hands joined together, and spiritual symbols representing connection and light.